Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's Keto Cafe and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share, like, and smash that subscribe button? It definitely helps the channel. And welcome to week 204 update. And the best view comes after the hardest climb. Boy, I truly mean that. I've been struggling like everybody else as far as the economy goes. I'm still kind of looking for a job here and there. But you know, I'm not giving up. I keep chugging along. Have a couple of prospects, and we'll see what happens. And when I find something, I'll keep you informed. But in the meantime, we had a pretty good week. Well, what happened this week? Well, I had my 68th birthday on Thursday, and kept it simple. I didn't go anywhere, do anything. I did a 3.5 mile walk in the morning, and pretty much spent by the afternoon. We were going to go live Thursday night and do a birthday chocolate cake for you, but I just, I was so tired, guys, when I got home. The heat index was over 100, and the humidity was above 75, and it was 95 outside, actual temperature. And when I got home, I was just totally soaked, and I came home, I rested, I ate something to eat. Fell asleep, and then I got up and took a cool down shower, and then I laid that back down, and next thing I know, it was like 6 o'clock in the morning the next day. So I was really gonzo that day. But I got a lot of birthday wishes from my Facebook friends and my family, and I had a really good week for that, a good day. And like normally I'll go down to the dairy farm. We got a place called Kimball's Ice Cream, and I'll get a lobster roll on a lettuce wrap, but I didn't have the money this week, so because I don't get my check until Friday, so we'll be going at some point this month here and go down there and get a nice lobster wrap and show you what alternatives you have when you go to those type of places. Now Friday I requested Friday off because of my birthday, and I was going to play Friday night, but we didn't have enough funding, so Donna played. Of course, she didn't win anything as per usual, and I decided to volunteer instead. I could have gone home. I could have gone down to Kimball's and just walked around, but it started pouring out at about 6 o'clock. And I said, well, I might as well just stay and work. And then I did that, and I volunteered, and we had a really good night on the charity tickets and everything. Another outstanding crowd. And you know, at some point this month I'll start playing again. I'm still looking for a job, though. As I mentioned, I thought Lowe's was going to give me an interview, but they canceled it because apparently they thought I couldn't work the weekends. I can work the weekends, but you know, just bring me in there. You know, if it's only 6 to 11, I can do that. So we'll see what happens if they still want to get a hold of me or not. But you know, I'm still looking. Another place I went down to, she was on vacation, and it's supposed to be giving me a call this week. At the same time, I'm not going to be sitting by my phone waiting for the phone to ring. I'm going to go out looking until I find something suitable that I can do, because I want to continue on with the weight loss. And what's going on with the weight loss is I stayed the same this week. I didn't gain any weight, all things considering. And you know, and the reason why I want to go back to work is so if I could get like a 6 to 8 hour shift would be really great, because not only would I be making a little bit of cash that I can use towards the household expenses, you know, it would, I can schedule out my eating according to that schedule, and don't be running out of foods for the keto foods, which are very expensive if I want to continue on the journey on that path. All right, right now I've been on maintenance for the last 1.5 years there, and I've been feeling really good about it, but I still feel as if I want to take off more weight. You know, I'm down to 248 pounds this morning. So I'm still under 250, and I still feel pretty good, but I mean, my intent has always been to get down to 180. And, you know, I don't know if I want to get down that low, but I'd be happy around 210 or 215 or somewhere around that time, weight loss. Overall, for my end of my 4-year journey coming up on August 17th, which is rapidly approaching, I managed to maintain 110 pound weight loss in a year's time, in a 3 years period, when I got down to 110 pounds. So I feel pretty fantastic, and I got nothing to be ashamed of, and I'm very proud of my accomplishments. And we did a lot of walking this week again, you know, and last month we only ended up at 45 miles of walking last month because of my wife's appointments. Yeah, she had like 10, 10 physical appointments and 2 ER visits this past month. So I had a really hectic month with her. So this month we only have 2 scheduled appointments. Hopefully that's it. And I don't have any appointments scheduled. So I'm going to get out there and do walking every day that I can and continue with the job search. And we'll see what happens after all that. And, hope for the best. But, and I'm going to... Oh yeah, and I hadn't been making any new shackle recipes because basically I ran out of eggs and I ran out of cash. I got some eggs to eat for meals, but it is what it is. So we'll continue on at some point before the end of the month to start putting up some more noontime recipes for you. And I have some older recipes that I found that I never edited, so I'm going to see if I can, if I'm happy with the recipe that I did before, and I'll put it up on the channel. And I can't thank you guys and gals enough that's been following me along. Again, we did an awful lot of walking. We still plan on doing more walking and more walking adventures. And my air fryer died on me the other day, so now I'm in the market for a new air fryer. I gotta go out and pick one up later today. And I did send out for that Ninja ice cream maker they have, and I'll probably do the unboxing. It sells for $179, but it came with 4 extra containers to make ice cream. So I could get some ice cream container packs from Keto Chow and make some of those in my own recipes and from my keto journey that I've done, and some regular ones for my wife. And we'll see how that goes, and that'll give me another whole new playlist I can put up. Oh yeah, and Saturday we had the Italian festival. It was hot Saturday. It was real hot. But I went down there and the Colonial Band was playing, and they didn't have anybody there filming any of it. So I opted to go home. I went home and got my camera. I set it up. That video's up on the channel, and I got permission to put it up on the YouTube channel. But the quality wasn't as great, and I only had one camera, so I set it up as a widescreen shot. But every now and then you'd have people coming in front of the camera, which is to be expected. But that place was jam-packed in the lower common area, and then it started raining out about right after the band got done playing. It started raining, not hard, but like a shower. And then they were getting ready to bail out of there, and then another band was getting ready to take over between 7 and 9 o'clock, and I was going to stay, but when it was really thin on everybody over there, and it goes, I just went around, grabbed a few photographs, and then they scooted out of there. But and then the sun and the overhead was really bad on the camera. I couldn't even see what the camera was filming, so my friend Dom came up and helped me out there. We brought an umbrella, we set it up on the over the camera there, and we were able to cut out a lot of the sun glare. But so if you're a camera guy or a girl and you want to film outside and you got a tripod on a camera or your mobile camera, you should always bring like an umbrella with you and use it as some type of shade shield. And you can even make one out of a cardboard thing and just put it up over your camera. That's just to cut out some of the glare of the sun, so you don't get a lot of that solar glare. But that's how I've been very, very successful filming. Now, I do want to go back and film again eventually, but I want to get some camera stuff eventually when I can get some funding to put away. But when this coming week coming up, we're going to just stay with the keto meals. I should get my big check this coming Friday, so hopefully I'm going to stock up on some stuff. And we got fresh summer peaches are out already, and I want to get some of those and make some more keto Carb Love for you for peaches and stuff like that. And maybe a peach pie would be nice, but make it for like low carb. And don't forget to be watching for some more Shrinkables videos that I have on my channel. I'll be putting up some new ones from time to time. And that's about it. So I'm just going to continue on with the journey, the walk. Going to have an anniversary special update. And I'll probably go live that night. I have 1863 or 2 subscribers. Can't thank you guys and gals enough. I finally hit over 2,500 watch time hours. So I'm over halfway there for the channel to be monetized, so that would be nice. And then we can do some giveaways. And so I'm just looking forward to keep helping you guys out. Be watching for some more weekly lives that I'll be probably doing later in the week, and talk about different things and how things are going and that sort of thing. And So be that as said, I'm gonna get going. Have an amazing week, and I'll play a short little video behind this one of the videos that I had made a while ago. You know, my 100-pound weight loss, and you'll enjoy that. And I'll be doing more of those type things we'll be putting up as time goes on. Oh yeah, I'm currently reorganizing all my video files and stuff like that, and I'm finding a lot of older ones that I've hadn't seen in a while that I thought you might enjoy, so I'll be reposting some of those from time to time. So anyways, be that as said, have a great day, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and have an amazing week. And if you want me to make anything, let me know. Don't forget I have a Facebook support group, runs Keto Cafe Support, and also looking for somebody to interview me. And if you need me to interview you or like to be part of a weekly segment, you let me know, and I'll be happy to do that. But anyways, have a great week. Talk to you in the next video.